Polivac Predator Mark II. It's a hot water extraction machine for doing carpet and upholstery cleaning. So it's a 500 psi machine, which is plenty for doing carpets, and it can be adjusted down to do upholstery cleaning at around about 100 psi pressure. It has a 50 litre clean water tank, so clean water goes in this side, close that up, and the dirty water comes back in through here, and the customer can see all the dirty water coming out of their carpet and getting them nice and clean. Inside here is a removable filter basket, and down inside there is a little ball float valve. In case that happens to fill a bit too far, that'll block off the vacuum motors. So that sits on there, that hooks onto there. So, hot water extraction. So here's our wand that we're going to use. It's a 2-jet wand, and what we mean by that is we've got the pressure coming in through this pipe, goes down to the 2 spray jets there, which spray water down into the carpet, and that's then vacuumed up in the vacuum channel there. It works this way on the carpet, so the water sprays down into the carpet, picks up the detergent and the soil, does a U-turn within the carpet and comes back up the vacuum pipe. So to start the machine, we need to connect up the hoses. We connect up the vacuum hose like that. The high pressure line connects onto there. Just click it on, that's nice and firm, that's ready to go. Don't put that down on the floor, that can bust that little fitting in there after a while. So just whenever you put it down, just always put it down upside down. Never start the machine without that hose being connected to the wand. There's a lot of vacuum in these machines, and that can pull out an eye. So just have that on there like that. Now, we connect up the pressure line. Again, just pull that little flange back, wait for the click, and that's connected. The vacuum goes in up here, and we're ready to start. So with this machine, we're going to plug it in there. Now there's a switch here. If it's down, it'll switch the heater on. If it's up, it'll switch the pump on. So now that's ready for the pump to go on, and we switch it on 1, 2 and 3. Here we've got an hour meter, which will tell you how many hours the machine's done, so that you know when services are due, and shows the boss how hard you've been working too. And here we have a reset switch. If there's an overload for any reason, that will trip, and when you've got it all set again, just press that button and away it'll go. And we'll start the machine 1, 2, 3. Now we've finished the job, we just need to clean and pack the machine. So we'll disconnect the hoses, and that won't come off. And the reason is we've still got a bit of pressure left in that line. We just need to go like that, and now they'll easily undo. Unplug your machine and clean out your filter basket. And when everything's finished, we dump the water. We simply lift this valve here and the water will flow out there. So remember to put a bucket underneath there. You need to catch that water and tip it down the laundry tub or toilet or out onto a garden bed. On the Predator machine, there's a vacuum input there. This is where we can plug in a booster pack, which will mean you can operate the machine from a further distance or go up higher or something like that. Just plug the machine into there, and that will boost your vacuum